Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's what? Sean TV back up in this thing, you feel me? Fresh off work, no cap. But you feel me? The car just got a fresh wash, you feel me? So, you know, y'all see the sun out, it look good outside. So, you feel me? We had to bring the cat out today, you feel me? Y'all already see she looking better than ever. I'm talking about she just got washed, you feel me? My tires bald, don't mind that. My tires always bald, don't mind that. But, you feel me? At least we got a wash. It's sun outside. And you feel me? We got a POV that we're finna be doing for y'all boy today. Now I'm gonna tell y'all boy, one thing that I do hate, like when you watch this car, all the dirt and stuff goes straight to the back. So I'm gonna have to do a rewrite. You feel me? I'm gonna have to rewrite the back end off. You feel me? No boo-boo. You feel me? Either way, she still do look good, you feel me? Big mama looking real good. I do want to say, I appreciate y'all showing your boy some love. Like, y'all been running them views up lately on YouTube, you feel me? So I really do appreciate that, you feel me? Also, make sure y'all are continuing to liking, commenting, and subscribing, you feel me? So we can go ahead and get to 5,000 subs. So we can go ahead and do this giveaway, you feel me? Because I got to give back to y'all boys, you feel me? Because I appreciate y'all. But enough of all that chit chat. We finna go ahead and get into the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. So y'all are tuned in when I'm out. So y'all are tuned in for whenever I drop more videos, you feel me? And we finna go ahead and get into the POV. Y'all, let's go ahead and crank Big Mama, you feel me? Go ahead and pop that bit in. What we gonna do? We're gonna put it in custom mode. Cut traction control off. You feel me? Go ahead and put that seatbelt on. Oh, copyright. Let me make sure I disconnect the Bluetooth before we get started, y'all. All right, we in the game now. As you can see, your boy don't have no gas in that bit. So, you feel me? First stop, gas station. We finna go ahead and drive that bit to the gas station. I'm weak. Oh, I forgot about that little train track. This ain't no regular track right here. This bit knock your exhaust loose. I already got an exhaust leak that I gotta get fixed, y'all. Just from this car being so low to the ground, I think I clipped something. Oh, I think I clipped something and it knocked my exhaust loose a little bit, like a tad bit. So your boy got a very minor exhaust leak and I will be getting that fixed. You feel me? Come on, stop spinning. A Hellcat on these weak tires, y'all, is crazy. Like, that bitch be tweaking with no tread, which is so obvious, you feel me? But, you know, I'm just saying. Also, I need y'all boys to make sure y'all make a lot of comments in this video because I am going to be doing a Q&A video where I drive and answer questions y'all got for me. Make sure y'all ask me whatever questions y'all want, you feel me, for that video. I need y'all to go ahead and do that ASAP because I need to make that video like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. You feel me? So, get in the comments, ask your boy some questions. Don't be scared, nigga, I don't bite. But that Hellcat bite, though. You feel me? No doubt. My boy walking the road. That bitch wiggling. Okay, big mama. I ain't gonna be doing no slide, though. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't wanna, you feel me? This ain't no drill car, you feel me? this car really like expensive, and I don't want to be just sliding all the time, y'all. We still gonna get y'all boys some good content. I can smell that exhaust leak though, y'all. Like that, it smelled like something was burning. I ain't gonna lie. Before I figured out what the problem was, I was scared. Like a nigga was pacing, scratching his head. I thought I had blew my supercharger up or something. But it's just a minor exhaust leak. And we gonna get that bit fixed. Don't worry about it, y'all. Now we're just waiting on the light to turn green. And we gotta beat the other light. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot I lost my debit card. So your boy gonna have to use cash. And I look like a real bum today, y'all. Like I got on the bummiest clothes. Oh well, we still gonna gas that bit up though. Alright, bet we back on the road, nigga. We back on the road, twin. Or we gotta go around that bit before it snatch our exhaust completely off. Feel me? This bitch gonna sound like a, I don't know. I need y'all niggas to hurry up. I ain't finna be waiting. See, bro? I could've got smacked. This bitch was doing a burnout. I'm trying to leave at the gas station. Come on now, big mom. You can't be doing stuff like that. I had to stop the camera because you feel me? The boy right there in the V6 was playing copyright. It's always the Mustang niggas. We gotta go slow going past the police station, you know, 12. They be trying to give me hell. Don't y'all like, bro, Mexico is so fun. Yeah, I love driving in Mexico. Dang, I really should have took that little road right there. I'm tweaking. I don't know who Buddy think it. I don't know who Buddy and Mustang think he is. Like I won't obliterate Buddy. Oh, I forgot to put my seatbelt on. I know niggas looking at me with their phone on my head. Niggas think I'm a robot. That road up here, right, a little trash. But, you feel me? I'm still gonna take that bit. No doubt. Oh, this road is horrible, y'all. They wrong for this. They need to redo that road before I get mad at that bitch. I don't know where to go. Ooh, somebody got a wide body. Oh, I almost got my ass hit looking at that wide body. I sure wasn't paying attention, y'all. Don't crack on me in the comments. Y'all ain't gonna be like, Sean Stevie can't drive. He almost got smacked. Nah, nigga. You still got the wheel. Even if we almost caused the accident. Look at all that traffic. And we on bald tires. These tires balder than Michael Jordan head. balder than Michael Jordan head out that bitch. Why they car creeping up on me so fast? I hope that nigga know I got that peanut butter Glock on me. We gotta go around these niggas. Man, we gotta go around these niggas. We can't be waiting all day. And we by the police station with it. Breaking the rules and the laws, nigga. Come on now. I'm weak. See, my Mexicano brothers always showing your boy love. Let me get them boys a real. You feel me? We gotta show them boys love. You feel me? We in that big cat. The most loved car ever. The most loved slash most hated car, you feel me? A lot of y'all love the cat. A lot of niggas be hating on the cat, you feel me? Because they know this car really him. Or really her. Because they big mama. You feel me? Boy revving a Hondeezy. I'm weak. My boy revving a Hondeezy. The Hondeezy. I ain't lie, if y'all want a reliable car, I'm pretty sure them Hondas right there be so reliable. I be seeing nigga had them cars for about 20 years. And they drive it on a daily basis. No doubt. If you want you a good reliable car, get you one of them. I think it's a Civic. You feel me? Light just turned green, you feel me? But everybody love the cat, y'all. Y'all can't fake. I need to get over. I don't know what that nigga in that Camaro doing. That nigga driving so slow. If that boy had a ZL1, he would been trying to cut up with me though. You feel me? I mess with them ZL1s though, no doubt. They were my top two choices when I was buying my car. I was like, I'm either gonna get me, you feel me, the ZL1, you feel me, or I was gonna get, you feel me, the cat. And you feel me, your boy chose the cat. The Hellcat just fit me better. You feel me, the Camaro, I don't know. They cool, it just ain't for me, you feel me. Well, it is for me, but it's not like, if I was rich, like right now, and I had the money, I'd buy a ZL1 too. But, you feel me? I mess with the cat more than the ZL1. But I still love them both. I love Mustang, Camaro, and Dodges. Look at this road. See, these roads gonna have my car dirty and stuff. And I'm gonna get another exhaust leak, mess around with all these hills. Oh! I ain't gonna lie. People do be getting mad at me when I be going slow, like over little hills and stuff. You know, since my car lowered, I want to get a sticker that say, sorry, I'm lowered, you feel me? Because, nigga, I gotta do what I gotta do. If I go over them bumps like y'all nigga be doing, you feel me? Your boy car gonna be going home on the tow truck. Should I stop at a light? Nope. Nope. I'm colorblind. That shit was green to me. I'm trying to make sure I'm talking in my videos, y'all. You feel me? Just know if I'm not talking, that supercharger talking. See, listen to it. Supercharger blowing on y'all niggas. Stop playing. Well, y'all, that's gonna conclude today's video, y'all. You feel me? We just gave y'all boys a nice little, you feel me, POV. Yeah, sorry my phone had died, but that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Y'all are subscribing, hitting that post notification bell so y'all are informed for whenever I drop more videos. You feel me? Also, make sure y'all go in the comments and comment. You feel me? So I can have questions that I can answer for y'all for my Q&A POV video, you feel me? Make sure y'all do that. Don't say I ain't tell you, because y'all be having a lot of questions, and I'm going to answer them, you feel me? So go ahead and do that for you, boy. Goal is to get us to 5,000 subscribers so we can go ahead and do the giveaway, you feel me? And until next time, y'all, this is it. Peace.